Hello everyone. Kumusta ang weekend? Kumusta ang Sabado nyo? I hope you are all resting. You are having your much needed rest after a long week at work. Yeah. Sana nakakapagpahinga kayo ng maayos with your loved ones, spending time with them. Yeah. Gusto ko lang mangumusta. Sabi kasi ni Meta mag-live ako, so hindi ko alam if makakapag-live ako. Maybe later. Pero busy pa, so recorded muna. Gusto ko lang mangumusta. Okay, happy weekend everyone. Bye.